Tucked away down 1.5 miles of county roads is this incredibly comfortable 3-bed, 2.5-bath home on 38 acres. The property is a nice mix with roughly 6 acres of pasture up around the house and the rest in rolling hardwood and pine ridges. The topography and diversity of the property creates great opportunities for hunting and exploring, featuring a wet weather creek and a small spring-fed creek. There's an old established road and trail system that will lead you to unique rock formations, beautiful views, and whispering pines. Up around the house you'll find several outbuildings, including 2 with power and 1 with water, a greenhouse, and established grapevines, pear, peach, and plum trees. All of this making for a phenomenal hobby farm or homestead. The home has a really nice, comfortable feel and features a new roof and gutters, Anderson storm doors, a 4-foot hallway making it handicap accessible, split water heaters, propane fireplace, and that's just to name a few of the highlights. The front and back decks will be great for grilling and relaxing to look at your own Ozark mountains. Slow down and see what the Ozarks have to offer at this home in the hills.